everyone, welcome back to TPM Simplified, the channel where we break down technical product management in the simplest way possible. If you're new here, I'm Eniola, and today we're talking about one of the most important parts of being a technical product manager, and that is how to work effectively with engineers. As a technical product manager, your engineers are your closest collaborators. You may write the roadmap, but they are the ones building the road. And if the relationship breaks down, the product suffers. So what's your job? Your job is to translate ideas into clarity. And so with this clarity, the developers can convert your ideas into deliverables they can confidently build. Let me tell you a little secret. Engineers don't hate meetings, but they hate bad meetings. They don't mind product specs. They actually mind vague, confusing specs. So what do engineers want from you as a technical product manager? Number one, they want clear requirements. Number two, they want minimal scope creep. Number three, they want fast decision making. And number four, they want protection from unnecessary noise. Your role as a TPM is to shoot them, support them, and keep the engine running smoothly. As a technical product manager, you need to be specific and not technical. So for example, you don't say, let's add a payment feature. You would rather say, let's integrate Stripe to allow users pay with cards during checkout. And this payment should trigger a confirmation email. This is product clarity. You are stating what payment gateway should be integrated and what action should take place afterwards. So as a TPM, you're giving the engineers the what and the why. They would figure out the how. It is also important that as a TPM, you build trust and not control. It is important to state that as a TPM, you're not your developer's boss. You're not there to assign tickets to them like a robot. You are simply a partner. And so in building trust, you need to ask questions instead of making assumptions. You need to admit when you don't know something technical. Yeah, because no man is an island. Number three, you need to give credit for wins. You need to celebrate your engineers' victories publicly. Number four, you need to involve your engineers early, especially in ideation. When your developers trust you, it leads to ownership. And when they own the project or the product, it leads to velocity. Now, there are some tools that would make life easy for your engineers. Yeah, at least I know that they don't hate these tools. Number one, we have Jira. Jira is used for backlog and sprint management. Number two, we have Confluence. Confluence is used for documentation. Number three, we have Slack, GitHub, or Notion. This can be used for collaboration. Number four, we have Figma. Figma would help your developers align to designs. So it's important that as a TPM, you keep everything in one place. You make it clear, simple, and accessible. It is also very important to know that communication is your superpower as a technical product manager. When a feature is late or a bug breaks something, engineers don't need pressure. They need clarity and context. So you communicate what's blocked, what's urgent to have, what's nice to have, what can be pushed to the next sprint. Your job as a TPM is to keep the loop tight between product, engineering, and stakeholders. Now, let's sum it up. As a TPM, you need to 1. Speak the language of your developers without needing to code. Number 2, be clear and detailed. Number 3, you need to protect their focus. Number 4, we need to collaborate and not command. Number 5, you need to communicate like the pro that you are. And number 6, you need to build trust over time. If you do these things well, engineers will love working with you, and together you would ship amazing products. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more simplified TPM content. Do you have tips for working with engineers? Please feel free to drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.